Hello everyone, my name is Lin Yao. Today, in this session, I will introduce our GlideApps. It's a robust, no-code platform that lets you quickly build our mobile and web applications. GlideApps is a software as a service platform, enabling users to create functional apps without needing extensive code skills or knowledges. By connecting directly to Google Sheets, it allows for dynamic, data-driven content, making it ideal for dashboards and visualizing data, such as Bitcoin price trends. One of the primary advantages of GlideApps is its straightforward, intuitive interface. It's an excellent solution for individuals or businesses looking to create apps for data visualization or management without the technical barrier of deep coding skills. With a simple drag and drop setup, you can design your apps, integrate real-time data, and share it easily with clients or teams. Over the next minutes, I will guide you through our apps, of user GlideApps to analyze to Bitcoin price dataset, showing how we crafted a dynamic dashboard to help our client gain insight into Bitcoin price trends from 2017 to 2023. Our client, a digital marketing agency, wants to understand how Bitcoin prices have changed over time to help get possible investment choices. The main challenge is to present this data in a clear and interactive way, so they can explore and make sense of it easily. This is where GlideApps come in. With GlideApps, we can quickly build a dashboard that pulls data from the Google Sheets, which means our Bitcoin data updates automatically. GlideApps also provide ready-made templates, custom layouts, and simple charts and graphics, which makes it easier for users to understand the complex information like Bitcoin price without feeling lost. For our clients, these tools offer three main advantages. First, real-time updates. Whenever data is updated in the Google Sheet, the app shows these changes straight away. Second, interactive features. The client can filter and zoom in on specific times, helping them explore the details of Bitcoin price changes. Third, accessibility. The dashboard works on both mobile and desktop, so key people can check it and make decisions wherever they are. Overall, GlideApps not only lets us build the dashboard quickly, but also makes sure that Bitcoin price trends are showing a way that's both easy to explore and insightful. Now, we started by logging the Kaggle to download the data, and we released the exhausting file with the missing for years data. So, we could have worked with 3 years from 2020 to 2023. Today, I will walk you through how we use the Glide to visualize a Bitcoin price database from 2017 to 2023. Meanwhile, I will also explain each step we took, highlighting the key features of the app as we go. Step 1. Preparing the dataset. Initially, we downloaded what we thought was a 7-year dataset, but it only contained 3 years. So it was too large to use in Glide without a premium subscription. After discussing with our team membership, we agreed to use a smaller of the portion, focusing on the daily date. For each day's the opening, high, low, and the closing days, along with trending value. We ensured the dataset was clean and ready for visualization before uploading it to Glide. Step 2. Uploading data to Glide. Glide offers 2 different ways to import files. You can upload the Excel or CSV files directly from your device or link to Google Sheet. For our project, we use the CSV to upload them. Once uploaded, the datasets become available in the Glide interface, where it's ready for editing or additional setup as needed. Step 3. Exploring Glide's free and premium features. Glide's free version provides 3 main components for data visualization: bar charts, line charts, and radial charts. With the premium version, you can access to external databases like MySQL, Cloud SQL, and PostgreSQL. And there is a 30 days free trial if you'd like to explore these features. Step 4. Customizing the app's layout. Adding tabs and components. Glide allows you to create and customize tabs to organize your data. After clicking Add, you can create new tabs, such as the dashboard and charts. Editing and arranging. In each type, you can add different components with different specific functions, like charts, checklists, or images. You can also rearrange types by dragging them around and adjust icons as needed. Step 5. Setting up data visualizations. Adding a chart. Since our dataset focuses on simple day, we set up our chart to display date by seconds, providing precise details for each time steps, removing unnecessary charts. Glide includes simple charts by default, but we removed this to replace them with our customer visualizations. Step 6. Navigating the app and view data. Using the dashboard and the trends tab. On the dashboard tab, we've set up a line chart and a bar chart to show key Bitcoin price metrics. Hovering over the line chart displays the volumes that change by seconds, giving a detailed view of the data's progressions throughout the day. Creating a price change chart. We also created a price change chart with high and low price values, which are dynamically linked from the dataset's columns. Step 7. Setting up the Contact Us tab. Finally, we add a Contact Us tab where users can find all information about our group, making it easy for everyone with questions to get in touch.